So now moving forward to the Magic. So Canva has improved their Magic Write into doc. We have already transformed, already have a blog on 5 business hack won't tell you. So they have also improved their Magic Write. So if you want to write a blog post, or I would say any summarize your content or something like that, you can easily do that with the help of Magic Write. How? So these are the set of options we have, set of output we have. What I'm going to do, the Magic Write option will appear. If I click on that, there is a continue writing, there is a summarized text, there is a rewrite, more fun, more formal, and this. So I'm going to do is continue writing. So it will keep on writing for blog post. So it has done creating writing. Next, what I want to do is I want to create a summary out of it. So to summarize text, just click on this. So it will create a summary of our content. So you can leverage these type of tools with the help of Magic Write, and you can fix spelling, sprinkle fairy dust, or more formal, more fun. There's more option you can choose from creating your own doc from Canva Write. So they have improved extension. So if you want something like here, there is a Magic Write. Select that and you can try an example to write, or you can say continue writing. So click on here. So what you can do is click on slash. This is the Magic Write. Just give it a context and you can start writing again and again. So that's how easy it is to create a blog post or create any of the marketing material you want with the help of Canva Write.